Hey everybody, it's Will. If you're looking for how to make money online in 2022, then you're in the right place. I'm about to reveal some easy ways to make money online without wasting your time on unprofitable routes. Now I understand that a lot of people hope they can make money online, but never do because they think it's impossible. Well, I've been doing it full time since 2007 for myself, so I'm here to tell you it's 100% possible. Let's dive in. There's basically 9 ways I'm going to share with you today to make money online in 2022. I'm going to end it with my absolute favorite way last. So stick around until the end and you'll see everything. Number 1, create a YouTube channel. There are more people watching YouTube than ever. In fact, about 500 hours of videos uploaded every minute to YouTube. That is insane. When you have your own channel, you have an audience who likes you, trusts you, and will buy things from you in the future. It's just awesome for that. So you can make money with your own YouTube channel by getting paid for ads that are ran on your channel. You can also sell products through affiliate links. And once you get really good at it, you can also sell your own courses and coaching from your YouTube channel. So starting a channel on YouTube is one of the best ways I know of to make money online in 2022 by far. I highly suggest you dig into it. I know I am. Number 2, speaking of selling products as an affiliate, you can become an affiliate marketer too. That means you do not need to own your own product or program at all. You can sell other people's products and they'll pay you a commission for it. Now, there's an unlimited number of offers out there that you can promote as an affiliate. The hardest part of being an affiliate marketer is getting people to see the offer that you want them to buy, right? That's where starting your own YouTube channel or using paid ads can work very well for this. If you're gonna run, say, Facebook ads to an affiliate offer, just make sure Facebook approves of the niche you're in, because if they don't, you might get banned from them. Otherwise, if they ban your account, it's awful, but it's happened to me in the past, and I'm sure it's happened to a lot of people watching this video. So just be careful when using paid ads to promote affiliate offers, and you will get paid a commission. It's super cool. Okay, number 3. The third way is not one I'm a fan of, as it seems to be filled with a lot of very scammy sites, but I know I've seen video after video of it on YouTube. So that is to do those surveys online. And I never really understood this route for making money online, but apparently it exists. So there are sites out there that will basically pay you for each survey you fill out. To me, this seems odd, and I've never done this before. I've read up on it, and apparently you have to fill out like hundreds of these to make any kind of money. I think I would go nuts doing this all day long. It's sold on the premise that it's easy money, but I don't really trust any of the survey sites out there. So if you want to make money by filling out surveys, have at it, but I wouldn't rely on this method as a long-term one. I think it's got too many question marks around it. Maybe I'm wrong. It's happened before, so let me know in the comments if you've ever got the survey route profitable. All right, number 4 is a weird one. This is, I don't fully understand this model, but basically you can create and sell your own NFT, which is a non-fungible token. I don't even know I can't remember. NFTs. Now this route is a little complicated, but it does work. They say you can sell more than just an image file. Like those images can be like a pass on your phone to events and a few other things like VIP things. I don't really get it. It seems very odd to me, but we all know them as things like the Bored Ape Clubs, where kids with way too much money will spend it on images they can use online, and they own the rights to those images. So that's the one thing though, if you own the right to an image, that's cool, but are you really gonna hire a lawyer to go after somebody if they're using your image? No, you're not, because it'd be way more expensive to have a lawyer go after them than it would be to just leave it. Anyway, the value of these is very volatile because it's based on hype more than anything. So an NFT creator will build up some buzz around his or her first NFT, usually in a Discord server, and then they'll launch it in hopes that someone will buy it at a high price. And you know what? There's a lot of people that will buy them at a high price. So, they're just creating something out of fairy dust. But since it's basically just pixels on a computer screen, there's not much involved in creating an NFT. The hardest part is basically generating enough buzz to make selling one worth it. I've never done this, but I know guys that have, and they swear by it. So, I mean, maybe I'm too old, maybe I have too many gray hairs, but I don't get it. And that doesn't mean it's wrong, it just means I don't get it. All right, number 5. You can also sell products on Amazon if you want to. There's 2 basic routes for selling products on Amazon. You can do FBM, which means fulfillment by merchant, or you can do FBA, which stands for fulfillment by Amazon. Now, Amazon has a ton of customers who are constantly searching their site for products to buy. That means that you do not have to spend any money on ads to get your product seen. The buyers are already there waiting. However, if you want to accelerate your profits selling on Amazon, you can run Amazon PPC ads. That is pay-per-click. So you only pay when someone actually clicks on your ad on Amazon. If you combine ads with FBA, it can really ignite your sales big time. The good part is there's customers there already. The bad part is it can be a little complicated to do FBM or FBA and throw in ads, and some people will give up quickly. It's not for the faint of heart at all. The cost per click can be very high, but go for it if you want. There's a lot of success out there. There's a lot of YouTube videos on Amazon FBA, not so much on Amazon FBM, but it is what it is. All right, number 6. This is something I think anybody can do. You can also become a freelancer. If you have a skill you're good at and people need, for example, if you can write a good script for a YouTube video, you could become a freelance script writer. If you could edit YouTube videos, I keep saying this because that's what I'm deep into right now, you could become a video editor for YouTube sellers. Anything you can do, blog posts, design, logos, stuff like that, you can become a freelancer. Writers are very popular, designers are very popular when they're freelancing. Social media managers are very popular, so that would be somebody that handles the social media for businesses. Super popular. So you can make a profile on sites like Upwork, and that will connect you with people who need someone with your skill set. There's more than just writers on there too. It could be anything that you're good at that others will pay you for. A lot of people make very good money online just by freelancing. Designers to writers to voiceover artists can make money online by getting paid to do what they're good at. It's definitely a good solid route to take to make money online. In the past, way in the past, I think I had a gig on Fiverr, which is another freelance site. I can't remember what I did. I'll have to look it up. But I actually didn't do too bad with it. That was when I was first starting out, like years and years and years ago. Anyway, number 7. Another great way to make money online, and this is another one of my favorites, is to create a course and sell it. There's a high demand for online learning right now. Actually, there always is, but it seems to be growing at a very fast rate. If you have something you're an expert at, odds are you can create and sell a course on that topic. Now, when I say expert, I mean that you're a couple steps ahead of the people that you're targeting. So you don't have to be a total PhD on the topic in order to make money selling courses. Okay, there's tons of places you can do this for free, and they already have their own audiences in place. 2 of those are Skillshare and Udemy, however you pronounce it, I don't know. They're 2 examples of places where you can upload a course and their members will view it. Skillshare will pay you based on hours watched. Udemy will pay a flat rate per course purchased, although Udemy they always run sales, which discount your earnings big time. So they'll run like $10 sale, and they'll sell your $200 course for like $10. And of that, you might get like $4.50. So I think my personal route is to use those places to funnel people to my real courses that I host on my own, basically. So if you want to have like more control, you can always list your course on sites like Teachable or Thinkific or Kajabi. This route means you're responsible for selling courses. They don't really have any members waiting to view your stuff. Creating it is one task, but the money really comes from the marketing side. So when you have a course, you can run paid ads on Facebook, Google, even YouTube to sell your course. That's a whole other ballgame. It does work. As long as you're spending less than you're bringing in, you can scale your course to the moon. It's a very, very good route to take. If you combine a course with a YouTube channel, man, that's just printing money, basically. That's one of the best routes you can possibly do. And that's the thing too, you can combine these methods. So you don't have to just do one. Although I do say pick one, master it, then move on to the next, or add the next one into your arsenal. That's always a good route to do. Anyway, number 8, you can start an Etsy shop too. If you're crafty or you're any kind of an artist, I have a few Etsy shops myself. One of them is just uploaded with print-on-demand products daily from a software that I bought. If you want to know which one, let me know in the comments, I'll tell you. The others have designs and products that I uploaded myself. And again, I'm pretty deep into print-on-demand, so I don't have any inventory. It's just basically I create the image file, I upload that to my supplier, they will connect with Etsy and integrate, and then they'll create like the mock-up, which will go on Etsy. And then when somebody buys on Etsy, my supplier will see that order and they're going to automatically print it, pack it, and ship it. So it's very cool that way. Anyway, the really good part about Etsy for making money online is you can use production partners, like I said, to print, pack, and ship the products that people order. Etsy used to only allow like handmade products, but since switching it up and allowing other companies to sell, to help sellers, they've grown dramatically. That means there are a ton of buyers already there. Now, the downside of Etsy is the fees though. They seem to want to charge you for everything. A listing a product costs 20 cents every quarter. So it's not a one-time payment. Then they charge you transaction fees and marketing fees and like a skunk farted in the wood fees. At the end of the day, you're not really left with much in your pocket. The other kind of huge downside is Etsy customers seem to be the crankiest of all the platforms I use. They are difficult, they're quick to give you a poor rating, and there are some scam customers on there that will like order from you, and then they'll say they didn't get the product, and you're like, well, I can see in the tracking that you did, and then they'll want a refund, and then they'll give you a bad review. So you have to be very careful and courteous when using Etsy, because one bad review, it can really tank your store. All right, so finally, we come to my absolute favorite way to make money online, and that is to open your own store online and sell print-on-demand products on it. I take it a step further, and I can sell print-on-demand products without even building a store first. It seems that this way is kind of on the decline though. More and more print-on-demand sellers are creating a Shopify store and connecting it with a supplier who will print, pack, and ship the item. So it sounds like, what are you talking about? How do you open a store if you don't have any inventory? That's what print on demand is. You don't buy any inventory up front. All you do is create the image. You upload that image to your print on demand company. They'll create a mock-up, and that's what you sell on your store. Then when an order takes place, the print on demand company sees the order, they will print it, pack it, and ship it, and then they'll update your site or your customer with the tracking number. So it's a very cool business model, super low barrier to entry because you don't have to buy tons and tons of inventory up front. Now, I'm a 7-figure print-on-demand seller, so I do favor this route most over the others. It's just, mainly, like, the money's great, but it's an awesome feeling when you have an idea, like, in your head, get an image file created, someone buys it and enjoys it. It's very satisfying, both like mentally, emotionally, and financially, to use this business model to make money online. I teach people how to do this with both free and paid traffic methods, but that just means like how you get people to see your products you created and hopefully they buy. So that's 9 ways you can make money online in 2022. I think this is a great start, but I also feel like I missed a few. So let me know in the comments which ones I missed. Maybe I'll shoot another video with those too. If you're interested in discovering more about making money online with one of my favorite routes, then be sure to check out my group coaching program for print-on-demand sellers at the first link in the description. So subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you make money online and more. Check out the playlist of my print-on-demand videos too. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.